Okay, I get to drive Sarah's big truck, and we're at U-Haul Towing. This is good. This is a good start to a nice, fine day. Hi, Cam.
Hey, what's up, David?
So you've got a car for us.
Yeah, so this is a 69 actually, not a 68, I'm sorry. We got that confused here, but the car has been sitting for about 17 years. The car's name's Amy, due to the license plate. And yeah, so hopefully you can take this thing and bring it back to life or use it as parts, you know?
Right.
Something good with it, so.
How'd it get the name?
So yeah, the license plate, if you look, 955 Amy.
It's an old California plate.
Yeah, old California plate.
Oh, yeah.
So actually, I believe my dad was saying that's the first year for a blue and yellow plate as well.
Really?
Yeah, so kind of another cool thing, but the doors. This car doesn't have a cracked dash either.
So that was a big deal for me.
The dash crack?
Yeah.
So this car has a
There's cracked dashes, and then there's my pie crust dash.
Right, if you believe it or not, the one thing about it, as far as I can see, is it doesn't have a cracked dash.
Look at that, a proper leather interior.
Yeah, it's old, man. The steering wheel has that wrap on it, so I bet it's still good under there, actually, decently. I know the center's kind of messed up, but...
Yeah, everything's here. Even the little speed limiter. That usually breaks off. Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
California car its whole life, then?
Yeah, as far as I know.
Now, when you picked it up, where was it living? Under a tree or in a barn?
I want to say Santa Rosa, and it was living under an old oak tree. So my brother actually got it because he was coming down. He lives in Vacaville, and he was coming down one day and said, "Oh, I'll get it," and picked it up. And ever since then, it's actually just still been sitting.
Yeah.
We plan to do things with it, like put an LS in it and all that funky stuff. But
yeah.
But long live its life, it's still been sitting. So that's sad. But let me see. I think that might need some finesse. Oh, yep, open right up.
Okay, let's go look at the engine. That's the big question mark, because I haven't seen what's under here yet.
Yeah. Honestly, neither have I, except for once or twice. So, I mean...
How much of this are you familiar with?
All I know is that it used to run. I know the starter, one of the main reasons is it doesn't, is this starter terminal is actually busted off.
Yep, I had that on mine too.
And my dad and my brother said it cranked over, but they... went to tap the starter because it got stuck in it, and then they kind of just left it be.
It's all here.
Yeah, so I know your engine has a crack in the piston, and that's.
I've got a hole in one piston. I got a flat cam, and I've got every water port's pretty much clogged up.
Yeah, I saw that on the video.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what this looks like when it's all washed.
Yeah, me too. I bet it will really come back to life. You see all the moss growing everywhere?
I haven't actually looked at this.
I like the moss.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
That's the water seal now.
Yeah.
Okay, thankfully she holds air.
Yeah, and so actually I didn't realize that tire was... I know you have a trailer, but that tire's kind of gone. Did yours have the original gas cap still?
Yeah.
The lock? This one as well.
Now, most of this is just 140 parts.
Yeah, it really...
Which is really helpful when it comes to like finding taillights and all that stuff.
I don't actually know too much about the 164, so the more you tell me, the more educated
Oh,
I
okay.
get.
It's a 140 with an inline six and a leather interior.
Oh,
that's about
gotcha.
it.
Okay. Kind of what they did with the 264 then, in a sense, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the only one that uses this engine and this transmission. Let's see what it's like under here. There might be a family of mices. No.
Oh, Jesus, still has this sticky in there.
Just a butt cheek.
Yep. So this side has a little bit of rusty, but it's not through yet.
Oh, no, not bad.
But yeah, it's not bad.
The worst spots for these are actually
Who's under there?
under this.
Yeah, you were telling me about that.
Oh, boy.
They get bad under there, huh?
Yeah, I was ready to drive mine and then I was just cleaning up and I poked a hole in it with the screwdriver. I'm like,
Ooh.
uh-oh, how far does that go?
That's part of the unibody structure too, huh?
Yeah, they make plates for them, but it's a bummer.
Right.
Cool.
I did notice that it does have an aftermarket like exhaust on there. Yeah, that looks fairly new. Resonator or two resonators.
Yeah, it really helps.
Wrench.
Okay, let's see the back seat. Wait, these are also stiff. Hey, it's got nets on the seats.
I know. Did yours have that? I didn't know they had that.
No, my seats were swapped out.
The headliner's pretty nice too.
Yeah.
I noticed.
The grab handles.
Yeah, those probably are brittle, to be honest with you.
I know, right? I wouldn't trust much, but
Yeah.
it's cool that it's there. At least it looks the part.
Yeah, they always fall apart.
Boy, these seats are plush, though. Imagine this thing when it was new. And these things are too damn expensive to get back to new condition.
Oh. Yeah, I can only imagine what you paid for that. The one Amazon you did, that was really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm surprised I got a spider on that thing.
So I'm curious what these are. They just
Pockets?
They're actually proper pockets. Oh,
that's pretty cool.
with a lever. I thought somebody just made a hole in the thing and then covered it up, but look at this. This is so cool. I'm taking those. I like that it's a 3-letter name because I named the green one Ivy. My brother did.
Oh.
And now this one's Amy. Yeah, Amy and Ivy. That's perfect, man. I was like kind of up all night trying to think.
You right?
What should I call the thing? Maybe you'll come to me tomorrow. And the first thing you told me.
Barney. So.
Yeah. Doesn't look terrible. Yeah, everything's turned up. Let's see if we can hear
Compression? I do hear compression.
It's spinning a little too easily for me to.
Huh.
But we'll see. You know, it's when it comes to this kind of stuff, it's better to just pull it apart, and that's the lesson I learned with the green one.
Right.
Because I started thinking, oh, okay, well, I heard compression, so it should be good, and then I started driving it, and there's a rod knocking, and
Right.
I measure the valves, I got flat lobes.
Right. Gotcha.
So it's gonna get pulled apart no matter what.
I think you got some good parts with it. I mean,
Certainly. It's a good
I don't know. Do you have all these?
I'm putting in fog lights, so I don't really mind the covers.
Oh,
I
okay.
do need the lens. Oh. It's funny to buy a car for a lens, but no, I like the bumpers straighter here. Yeah, like my little cap is missing for the washer bar.
Cool. Looks good.
It's cool. This thing still has the air conditioning. A lot of people removed its AC.
Yeah, it was some old well, it was an old lady. You're only the third owner, to be honest.
Oh,
with
yeah?
you. You're only the third owner. Yeah.
It's chassis 10,307. She's the numbers matching. This is great. All right, let's make the journey out to the trailer.
Okay.
Always smells like the 70s.
I know, it really does. Can you see out the window or no? I think I might have some water.
Give it a shot.
Might have some water.
It's it's an automatic.
Damn it.
Reverse.
Is there a hose
Neutral.
look at it.
Neutral. Drive. Low.
I think there's water in
Two. YouTube first drive in 30 years. That qualifies. Slow roller. Okay, Sarah, would you get the 2 boxes for the come-alongs?
Yep.
He knows. That was a pretty good haul. It's sunrise in Santa Barbara. We're gonna make it to a Cars and Coffee with this thing. Should be fun.
Wish I could think about you all the time, but there's other more important stuff on my mind.
Welcome home, beautiful. I gotta water the moss. It's starting to dry. Okay, let's go get Brewskis.
I've got limited cerebral capacity. I'm gonna sign it all to thinking romantically. There's some vital things I need to know. Why do we pronounce it right cliche? Never call it a slice of cliche. And what would happen to Pinocchio if he lied on opposite day? Would his nose invert inside his face? I've been waiting for the right time to tell you, girl, that I've been thinking about you sometimes. But all my thoughts of you are confined to, but I'm not wondering if a whale could make cheese.
You ever notice these don't have windows? Or handles on the side. This was not expected, but the only problem is I'm the odd man out against the dumpster.
I'm gonna get my white car is gonna go here. He can go on the other side.
Yeah.
But don't you like dumpster fires?
Mammals, we get technically with one. Give it to a cheesemonger. We could cure world hunger. Just imagine how much cheese we could make.
I'm actually having a lot of fun towing. This is fun. And Bruce is behind me.
The spiders take 3 legs off when they wanna high five. Just Dwayne the Rock Johnson with a geode inside. To elevate and make his high off their own supply. To cool psychics wear sunglasses on their
Great.
inner eye.
I could not have parked it better myself.
I've been waiting for the right time to tell you guys